Hello, and welcome back to Thomas Talks. Hopefully you guys are all keeping well, keep the energy through, enjoy the balded head. About a week or so away before we can get to the barber, so I had to do a home haircut, a bit drastic, but it's growing in fine, it'll be fine for probably the next time. Anyway, today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton necklace, which I got for my birthday. I thought I would do a full unboxing video just to let you guys bask in the glory of this piece, and at the end I'll give you my thoughts on the piece. So this is the little box it came in, your kind of standard drawer style, like so. And as you can see, a little dust bag, which is my very first Louis Vuitton dust bag. Got a blue string at the top, kind of velvety-esque suede material. Not very thick, but it's tight plush. So we'll go ahead and lift it out, and to get it in all of its glory, if I can get the string up like so. Maybe a bit hard to see, but we have kind of silver chain, not real silver, but it's steel, silver plated kind of looking chain with a little canister and the LV logo on the front right there. And this is kind of like the Monogram Eclipse pattern. This does screw off, which when I posted on Instagram, I can kind of only think of one thing where Louis Vuitton would put that in there. My mum was maybe thinking it could be aftershave or fragrance you could put in a little bit of the top of it, but I'm not quite sure. I think it's for something a bit more illicit than that. If you're at a nightclub, maybe in Miami or something, places you can actually go out to club. But yeah, it's got a little chain detail at the top with an extension, with a little clasp, a little hook. You pull that back like so. It does say LV embossed onto the metal on the pieces. I said you've got the extension there, so if you've got a wider neck, you can do that, or you can have it shorter, like so. So my thoughts on the piece is, when you look at it online, I think this piece here, the kind of Monogram Eclipse piece cylinder, looks a little bit bigger than maybe I thought it came out to be. It's a lot lighter as well, like the material weight, there's not a lot of weight in it. So I thought this little LV piece would be a little bit larger than it is. As you can see, the size of my thumbnail, maybe, I don't know, 4 centimeters tall, something like that. It's not very big, and that's maybe, what, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters? It's not that big. It is beautifully made, and Louis Vuitton is embossed around it. But the price of it as well, it's over like £300. I'll try and find the picture of it and I'll put that up. But yeah, it's just, I thought it'd be a little bit heavier and weightier. I don't really buy jewellery too much, and it was a wee birthday gift, and it's nice. But that's just my one little thing about it. I thought it'd be a little bit meatier and heavier for the cost. But if you guys want to let me know what you think of the Louis Vuitton pendant kind of bracelet, necklace. If you like it, please give the video a like. If you comment below if there's anything you think you would get instead, what you maybe dislike, or even if you like it, I'd like to know maybe your favourite piece. I said I do like the Monogram Eclipse pattern of it, and my first kind of necklace piece that I could probably imagine wearing with like a white t-shirt and maybe like a, I don't know, like some sort of overprint, what do they call it, short sleeve shirt. Sometime in summer weather. But yeah, that's all I've got to say at the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton necklace. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to Thomas Talks below, help me get 1,000 subscribers, that'd be amazing. Follow me at the Lux Scott on Instagram there. I think I'm almost at 400 followers, which is pretty good, but yeah, I post quite regularly there on Instagram. So anyway, before I ramble on, have a great day, stay safe, ciao.